Okay, guys. Yung 87, yung tab 1707, tsaka yung tab 1708, pareho lang po yan. Okay, that is a quick building update. Excuse. Quick building update. Quick building up. Hello? Ano? Guys? Hello?
Yes, sir. Narinig.
Yes, sir.
Yes po.
Makinig kayo, pati yung mga nasa 02. Kasi ito yung magiging trabaho nyo right after. Yung tab 1707 and then 1708, magkapareho yung dalawang yan. Okay? Para lang yan, para yung tab 1700 ng previous nating tab or para yung 1705 ngayon. Yung 1700 naman, basta parang magkapatid lang yung mga tabs na to. Yung pinagkaiba lang, yung 07 and then 08, quick building update po ito. Okay? Quick building update, meron po tayong checkbox. Meron tayo ditong sets of checkbox. Yung benchmark natin dito is per checkbox. So yung gagawin na natin sa mapa, hindi na natin kailangan umikot sa mapa. We do not have to search for any more errors sa mapa. Hindi na natin kailangan umikot like I said. Meron ditong checkbox, so yung kailangan na natin gawin is to click the checkbox. Okay? Pag click natin ng checkbox, we have the same rules as the building update project. Ano yung rules ng building update project? Who can summarize those rules for me?
Ayan, delete fake buildings.
Okay, good job, Madam Eugene. Andito yung ating rules sa gilid. Okay, as you can see, meron tayong banners. Utilize that banner. Okay, utilize that banner kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung rules. Kasi andyan nakasummarize lahat. Andito lang siya, oh. Labeler. For labelers, 6 seconds per checkbox. Checkbox only. Delete fake buildings. Fix big errors for big buildings only. Draw miss buildings near the checkbox. No need to check the entire box. So this is for tab. What? So this is for tab number.
1707.
Tapos?
1708.
1708 po.
Okay, good. So all we need to do is to check the checkbox, right? Again, for the residential houses, isipin nyo para itong existing. Ano yung rule sa existing? Do not fix residential houses, regardless of the shapes. So all we need to do is to delete grounds, open grounds. Okay? So for this one, para lang din naman ata yun dito, so we have to ignore that. Yung mga bahay na nasa ilalim ng puno, we do not have to delete them. Kasi lahat po ito ng mga bahay na to is may R3. Alam niyo na, kapag may R3, delikado, di ba? Delikadong galawin. So we have to check for missing building and then ground. Dalawa na lang po yung papahanap ko sa inyo para mas madali. We have to check for ground and missing building near the checkbox. Ano yung near the checkbox, sir? Once na nag-click kayo ng checkbox, ganito, mag-zoom in yan diretso sa bahay. Yung mga nasa paligid na po ito, kapag may nakita kayong missing building dyan, isang residential building, you have to draw them. Pero kung wala din naman dyan sa loob ng paligid ng checkbox nyo, you can ignore. So all I need to do is to check the checkbox again. So click the checkbox, ignore, 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 ignore. Walang missing building, walang ground sa loob ng checkbox ko. Ignore, 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 covered by clouds. Ignore. Okay, for this one, hindi ko ito may ignore kasi magkakaroon ng error, di ba? So I have to delete one. So ano yung i-delete ko kung ako sa inyo?
Yung red.
Yellow. Yellow.
Okay. Hati kayo sa sagot na yon. Kung ako, sa pagiging wise na lang, i-delete ko yung red. Oh, pareho sila pala may ano. Pareho pala sila may R3. So akala ko yung red walang R3. So sorry. So delete na lang natin yung isa. Delete natin yung yellow. Iwan natin yung red. Mas malapit yun eh. Mas malapit yun eh. So akala ko kasi walang artery yung red, so sorry. And then, draw the missing building near the checkbox. Pero yung problema dito, yung missing building out of grid, so I have to ignore. So as you can see, isa lang ginawa ko. Dinilit ko lang yung nag-overlap. Pasa. Lipat sa kabila. Checkbox mo, 35. So, click the checkbox. Pag click the checkbox, scroll down. Okay, nakikita ko ng ground. Delete. Yung kulay yellow na bahay na po iyan na nasa loob ng checkbox, ayan po yung target building natin. All we need to do is to check that for ground. Okay? So, mas maganda, mas maigi, lagay nyo dito sa gitna yung inyong, tawag na to, inyong cursor, and then tsaka nyo scroll down. Alam ko yung iba na verified sa 07 tsaka 08, most likely na pagdaanan nyo na to, di ba? Guys?
Yes,
Okay. So, alam nyo natin yung diskarte dito. Pwede tayo mag-check ng checkbox or pwede rin naman natin i-check yung buong grid na lang kapag ganito nakarami yung checkbox, di ba? So, kapag ganito nakarami yung checkbox, ikot na lang tayo sa grid, check natin yung mga live buildings kung ground sila. E di kung walang ground, e di bye-bye, pasa. Okay na tayo? Pinaalala ko lang sa inyo yung rules. Pinaalala ko lang sa inyo yung rules. Are we good na? Guys?
Sir,
Yes po.
I'm looking at the document.
Yes.
Yellow building siya, tapos commercial building.
For commercial building. Hindi naman masyadong ano yun.
Okay.
Hindi masyadong lumalabas yan.
Okay.
Actually. So,
But-
kaya hindi ko na dinidiscuss.
Okay.
Kasi alam niyo na rin naman, tsaka mga 10 years na mostly yung papasok dito sa 07 tsaka 08. Alam nila yung rules about sa big buildings. Ano yung big buildings, guys?
Yes, but merong error.
Big error.
Yes. Kapag nagbago yung big building, we have to fix, right? Right? Okay, sige, good.
Yes po.
We have to check the checkbox only in the yellow buildings inside the checkbox if it is ground. Okay? Dalawa lang yung papahanap ko talaga sa inyo. Ground sa loob ng checkbox and then missing building near the checkbox. Okay, so for this one, this is a ground. So select, delete. Lipat sa kabila. This one, trees. So trees, ignore natin kasi malay natin, andyan yung bahay. Meron tayong rules na do not delete houses that are covered by trees. So that is for us to ignore. Lipat sa kabila. And then that is all good to go na kung walang ground. Submit. We have to be quick po sa mapa na to. So ganito lang mag-check tayo dito. Pasa. Kaya nga yung title ng ating tab is Quick Building Update. Quick Building Repair Update. Ano ba to? Quick Building Update pala, sorry.
Okay, kulit ko yan.
So we have to be quick. Okay? So, okay. Footprint, overlap, what to do? Anyone? 10 yards.
Tanggalin lang po yung isang ano. Ayan, yan, sir.
Delete. Delete yung walang... Okay. Delete yung walang kwenta, di ba?
Yes po.
Okay. So, good. So, siguro tingin ko, okay.